Hello everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful and colorful paper bird like this to decorate our flower pot. Let's start. Now the first step is to cut in the most accurate way we can the template of the bird. So we have the two sides of the body and the four wings. I will show you the templates already cut, and the final result it will be like this. As you can see, we will stick the two wings in one side and the other two in the other. Perfect. Now we can continue to color our birds, and to do this we can choose two options. The first is to use the painting like this, and the second is to use oil pastel. We use oil pastel because they are softer than the normal one and they will give a particular effect. So in case you will choose the painting, you won't need any water to color, but just, as I can suggest you, the sponge. So you will just color with this, in this way, giving a really nice effect. As you can see, we can mix the color and choose the one we prefer. And use your fantasy and it will be perfect. And it will be like this for the second shape too. But careful, because you need to do it in the opposite side, because this will be the second. After finish to color, I just chose different shapes for each side, but you can do differently. And also the wings I chose to color in a different way. You will let it dry, everything, as I did. And now we can start to stick the two sides in this way. We need to use the glue for paper, is a normal glue, and we will put just a bit of glue in the border in all the template, except just the belly. So we will leave, let's say, 2 centimeters like this without any glue. Let's start. Now we will take the other side and we try to fit both really in a correct way. Perfect. Okay. You can just push a bit to let fit together. Okay. And now the next step, it will be, as you can see, I let here an open space because we will need the cotton, and we will fulfill with just a bit. So we can help us with the stick we will use after. And we need to put, let's say, this part, it will be in the pot. So this side, it will be inside, and we will put the rest of the glue to close all the bird, all the belly of the bird. You can put a bit on the stick. In this way it will be easy to fix it. Okay. You can just push a bit in all of the border. We can continue to stick the wings of our bird. So we can choose the side we prefer and the color we prefer, for example like this. And we start by the one that will be onto the body. Okay. Just a bit of glue and it will be enough. We just push for a few seconds. And we put again a bit of glue, like this, and we fit it just onto the first one, and we push again. Doesn't matter if a bit of glue will go outside from the border, it will be transparent at the end. And we do the same for the second side. What we need now is to put the eye. We can choose the color we prefer, but the size also must be not bigger than this, the one I chose. To do it, I chose the gun glue. It will be really warm after you connect it with electricity, so just ask the help of your parents or do it with someone that can do it. We need now just a bit of glue in one of the sides. Okay. It will be really strong after. You can help yourself like this. Okay, perfect, it's enough. Spread a bit and choose the position for the eye of our bird. And as you can see, it's already fitted. Do the same with the second eye. Now our bird is really finished, and I decided to add some details in the wings with just a black marker, and I underline the shape of the bird. So now you can choose your plant and just decorate it like this.